Hey lads, TechScanning here. So while Asus has already confirmed the next gen of its Zenfone series smartphone, the Asus Zenfone 10 that will launch on the 29th of June. And alongside that, the brand also confirmed some of the key information regarding the handset that unlike the early rumors, the Zenfone 10 will be a compact device and it will be packed with Android's best Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. So it will be a compact yet a beast performance device. But so far, one key thing that was missing from the puzzle that how the smartphone will look like. And now finally the Zenfone 10 has been revealed by the official posters shared by the very reputed leaker EVLeaks. So as we can see, the Asus Zenfone 10 will look hugely similar to its predecessor. It will have a compact boxier design, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and two big camera rings on its back. However, unlike the last year, there is no camera specs written below the sensors. Instead, now we got Asus Zenfone branding there. Most likely there will be the wide and ultra-wide lens, but so far Asus is keeping secret the exact resolution of the sensors. We can also see the antenna lines on the frame, which means it will be a metal frame. Further, on the display side, the Asus Zenfone 10 display will have a punch hole on the top left, just like the last year's model. And Asus has already confirmed that it will be a 5.9 inches screen. Moreover, we can spot the asymmetrical bezels where the top and bottom bezels are thicker than the side bezels. And honestly, it doesn't feel good, especially when there is already a compact screen. For the other features, Asus has already confirmed that the Zenfone 10 will feature the amazing 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilization and the wireless charging. So what do you think about the Zenfone 10 design? Share your thoughts below in the comment section, and if you are curious about the price, Asus has already accidentally revealed it. Have a look at this video. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.